Walk the Dog by Kouri Richins. Walk the dog, but take vague notes so you remember. Sky is saying, even if the gummies have fentanyl in them, the prosecutor will say, I tried to put the fentanyl in the gummies so Eric would have them. Stupid, I know, but that's what she's thinking. We will still test them, though. However, she wants to link Eric getting drugs and guns from Mexico, so we need some kind of connection. Her private investigator is doing some research on the ranch cartel place Eric would stay at. Here's what I'm thinking, but you have to talk to Ronnie. He would probably have to testify to this, but it's super short, not a lot to it. He will need to talk to Sky at the meeting next week. Upon information and belief, just like they say. A week prior to Eric's death, Ronnie was over watching football one Sunday, and Eric and Ronnie were talking about Eric's Mexico trips. Eric told Ronnie he gets pain pills and fentanyl from Mexico from the workers at the ranch. Not to tell me, because I would get mad, because I always say he gets high every night and wouldn't take care of the kids. There are pictures in my phone of Eric passed out on the floor or in the chair. Ronnie should have texts from Eric talking about getting high as well. Eric told Ronnie he keeps them in an allergy pill bottle in his walk-in truck so I wouldn't find them. Ronnie never told me about the conversation. Eric finally told me and asked if Ronnie could help get some. Eric never wanted anyone to know he had an issue, especially to get caught. He always wanted Kouri to go down for him. When they traveled, Eric would put his drugs in Kouri's bag at the airlines right before they boarded. That way, if they were caught, Kouri got in trouble, not him. Once they got to wherever they were going, Eric would pull the drugs out of her bag and it would cause a huge fight. She was pissed he would risk her going to jail for his drug use. He would just laugh about it. Eric couldn't ruin his image that he had drug issues, so he would do whatever he had to. Kouri has never done any type of pills, didn't like them. Rarely, she would consume THC only if Eric begged her because it was a special occasion. Reword this however he needs to make the point, just include it all. The connection has to be made with Mexico and drugs. Ronnie will have the messages to prove Eric confided in him about getting high. It can be short and to the point, but has to be done. Upon information and belief, LOL. They never found pills of fentanyl in my house because he hid it in allergy bottles in work trucks. And Cody emptied out the work truck within a week, so they were never found. When you talk to Ronnie about this, meet up with him in person. I worry sometimes your house and phone are bugged. Maybe drive down to SLC and meet him after work. Sky has to make the connection between Eric and Mexico because that makes the most sense in her mind. If it's Ronnie, information and belief about the conversation over football, Sky can use that as a connection. Tell Ronnie, don't overanalyze it. It was a quick 2-minute conversation, LOL. Tell him I need to do this. Bring me home, and then we'll get those damn bitches. Also, please text Lotto or call. Tell him do not text me anything about us doing things together, even like church, skiing, this. Nothing that puts us together. It doesn't look good. We're so close to the end. Let's push through. Have the conversation with Ronnie before he meets with Sky. Then tell him to tell Sky at the meeting about the conversation. Hang in there. We're almost there. Love you to the moon, X. Take vague notes of all this so you remember before you walk the dog. I saw a commercial yesterday, Utah Mortgage Relief. Google them, please. It's for people behind on their mortgage. Can you see if they can help us at all on our mortgage balance, please? We have to get hers, yours, and Chelsea's taken care of ASAP. I'm not going to that place in Kansas. What about asking Lotto to do a loan solely in his name and not have you on there. I know we can do a home equity line of credit on the house in Hideout. Not sure if he would, but I know he has like $1 million in equity. Maybe he just doesn't know about HELOC, home equity. If he wants to help me, taking care of these loans is most important. I don't give a shit about the lights. Remember I told you, one way to get at Katie is going through my phone and finding a picture of her girls, even with the boys. Print 15 copies and send them out anonymously to different media companies. Obviously, don't email the pictures so it's not traceable. She would be livid if it got out to the public. You would just have to do it sneakily and be careful. She would try to trace it back to you. If not, no worries. Sky is having my girls do the first interview with Good Morning America. Please tell Chelsea to bring up that he hasn't been to church in 13 years. She has known him. And Eric would brag to her about how much he drank and did pills in high school. Tell Kelsey to say Eric always wanted Kouri to go down for him. For example, he would put drugs in her suitcase when we traveled together, so if anyone got caught, it was Kouri. He would put it in her bag right before they left the house, so Kouri wouldn't know. Then, when we'd land wherever, Eric would take them out of her bag, and Kouri would get pissed, and they'd argue about it. Tell Kelsey to say how Eric didn't care, and would just laugh about it and say, well, I can't get in trouble, as if it was okay that I got in trouble. Have Selena talk about Eric in Spain not being able to drink, so he was looking for drugs the entire time. And explain the drink the waitress gave him, and how I called his doctor and went to the pharmacy immediately. Have Allie talk about how the sisters have always been jealous of me because anything they could do, Kouri could do better. Being a mom, college, stay-at-home wife until she built $1 million company. A nice house, car, everything she had, they wanted. This comes down to jealousy, money, and Eric partying that they don't want to acknowledge, and sadly, an accidental overdose. Lastly, don't forget to work on the gun receipts. We want to file charges and let the prosecutor not do anything about it to use in our defense. Will you buy a box of Crest white strips, open them up, put in an envelope, and have Sky give them to me? You can tell her what's in the envelope. I'm sure she won't care. I'll make sure they can't be found in my cell. My teeth are yellow from so much coffee and tea all day. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hang in there. We're getting there. Slowly. You're the best man in the whole world. I'm so lucky to have you.